Hey YouTube, this is another one of my videos, rjeezyful. As you can see, took the same day, same time. Today, I'm going to be showing y'all how to make a popping sound like this. Well, you probably couldn't hear it, but you can make it like with each finger, any finger you want. I usually just use my thumb or my first finger. It's faster. I mean, not faster, but louder. First, you got to take your thumb, kind of blow air into your cheek, put your thumb in there, and then pull it out, like pull it while you blowing air into it still, like this. And then once you do it fast and harder, it's gonna be louder, like this. Well, alright YouTube.